In this video, I will show you how to create a LinkedIn account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to linkedin.com. Now once you come across to the website, if you look towards the top, you're going to see join now and sign in. What you're going to want to do is click onto join now. From here, what you're going to want to do is enter an email and a password. Of course, make sure the email that you enter you do have access to, as you will need to use that in a minute to verify your account. But once you've done that, you want to come down and click the blue agree and join button. Then what you need to do is enter your details. So you just want to put your first name and last name and then come down and click continue. On the next screen, you need to put your country, region, postal code and your location within this area. So once you've done that, again, come down and click next at the bottom. And then what you can do is start creating your profile. So you can put your most recent job title, or if you're like a student at a college or university, you would select I'm a student. So in this example, I'm just going to put computer. And you're going to get some recommendations come up when you start typing. So you can see I've put computer and we've got these recommendations come up. Of course, if you can't see it, just complete the title yourself. I'm just going to put computer programmer, and then you're going to select your employment type. So that's going to be full-time, part-time, and so on and so forth. And then your most recent company. So I'm just going to call this one test. And again, it's going to give you some recommendations for different companies. If you can't see it, again, just type the company as it is. Once that's done, come down and click the blue continue button, and as you can see, it's now going to ask us to confirm our email. So what you want to do now is check your email for a confirmation code and enter that into the screen here. If you didn't receive the code, make sure to check your spam and junk folders, but if you didn't receive it, there is an option to click here to send the code again. On the next screen, it's going to ask if you're looking for a job. So you can select whether yes, you are actively looking for a job, not really, but will consider the right opportunity, or no, you're not interested in any job opportunity. So you just want to select the appropriate option from here, come down and click next. And if you are looking for work, it's going to ask what type of work that you're considering. So you want to put the job title in here. So something like a sales manager. Again, we're going to get some suggestions come up, so you just want to do that. And you can type multiple of this if you want to as well, so we can choose another job title. So you can enter some job titles into here. What it does is basically shows people using LinkedIn Recruiter that you're open to new opportunities. And what you can do as well is put your job locations into here. So this is where you're looking for work. Again, we're going to get some recommendations come up, and again, you can put as many as you want into here. You can also tick the box if you're open to remote work, and once that's done, come down and click next at the bottom. So if you want to share this information with recruiters, if you're actively looking for work, you want to switch on and then come down and click next at the bottom. And what's going to happen is going to give you a QR code, and this is just to basically get the app on your device if you want to. So you can do that if you want. If not, just come down and click next. Then it's going to take you to this screen where you can connect with certain people. So if there's people that you have familiar interests with, or they're in the same sort of field of work, you can of course connect with them for here. If you don't want to do this, at the bottom you just need to come down and click skip for now. And now it's going to give you a page with a similar sort of thing to follow. So they recommend following 5 sources to find content you care about. So you can just go ahead and select 5 profiles from here. And once that's done, come down and click next at the bottom. So once that's done, you're all set up, ready to go. Your LinkedIn profile is ready. As you can see, we're here on LinkedIn. So that is how to create a LinkedIn account. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.